Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into one of the most enjoyable ways to learn English, movies and TV shows. Imagine improving your vocabulary, pronunciation, and listening skills while watching Friends, Breaking Bad, or Harry Potter. Sounds fun, right? Well, it works if you do it the right way. By the end of this episode, you'll have a full step-by-step system for learning English with movies and shows. Plus, we'll do live practice together with examples from famous series. Now, why movies and TV are the best teachers? Textbooks teach you correct English. Movies show you real-life English, fast speech, slang, jokes, emotions. You also pick up cultural context, how people behave in restaurants, how they greet friends, and how they argue. For example, in Friends, Joey says, "How you doing?" It's not, "How are you?" It's casual, flirty, and funny. Now practice. Say it with me. You ready? How you doing? Good. Now to choose the right movie or show. For beginners, you should choose something like cartoons. Peppa Pig, SpongeBob are some examples of those. If you're an intermediate learner, you can choose a sitcom like Friends or The Office or Modern Family. Advanced learners can watch dramas like Suits, Breaking Bad, or Game of Thrones. Now here's a tip. Watch what you love. If you enjoy it, you'll remember it. Subtitles. Step 1. Your language, for the first time only, to understand the story. Step 2. Put English subtitles, and you can match the sound with the text. Step 3, no subtitles, so that you can train your ear. An example would be with Stranger Things scene, Friends Don't Lie. Step 1, watch with translation. Step 2, you would watch this with English subtitles. Pause. Repeat, Friends Don't Lie. Step 3, watch without subtitles and just focus on listening. Passive versus active watching. Now, passive is just watching for fun. Active is pausing, repeating, writing, and practicing. Now, you can pick a line from the show The Office. Michael, that's what she said. Repeat it 3 times with the same rhythm. Now, try using it in a joke. Like someone says, "This cake is so big." That's what she said. This way, you learn real humor. Now, for a shadowing technique, you can play a scene, speak at the same time as the actors. Don't stop, even if you're wrong. An example of this with Harry Potter would be when it says it's Leviosa, not Leviosor. Play, repeat with her. This teaches rhythm, stress, and melody of English. Vocabulary and context. Learn words inside stories, not in lists. Example, Breaking Bad, Jesse says, "Yo, Mr. White." Yo is a casual greeting. This is not going to be in textbooks. Now, think of 3 situations to use yo. This could be meeting a friend, answering a call, or starting a casual chat. Now say them out loud. Yo, what's up? Yo, I'm here. Yo, long time no see. Culture through the shows. Now, this would be with Friends. You can see American humor and sarcasm. Downton Abbey as British politeness and formal speech. And Money Heist is the Spanish culture in English dubbing and subtitles. You don't just learn language, you learn how people think. Now you can set up a daily routine with the show. Choose one show. Watch 20 minutes daily. You can write down 5 expressions. Rewatch the same episode. And use one phrase in your real life. An example routine of this is in the morning, you can watch 10 minutes with the English subtitles. Afternoon, rewatch the same scene and shadow it. Then at night, write 3 sentences using new words. Some common mistakes that you would need to avoid. Watching without subtitles too early. Trying to understand 100%. Jumping between too many shows. Or only watching it once. Now, here's some scene breakdown practice. Let's practice with a real dialogue from Friends. Ross: we were on a break. Rachel: that, for all I knew, could last forever. First, you're going to listen. Second, repeat. Third, act it out with me. I'll be Ross and you be Rachel. Ready? We were on a break. This builds speaking speed and confidence. Repetition equals memory. First watch, story. Second watch, language. Third watch, pronunciation. Now take one episode of Friends. Watch it 3 times in 3 ways. By the 3rd time, you'll remember entire dialogues naturally. You won't be fluent after 1 season, but after 6 months of daily practice, you will see a huge difference. You'll start dreaming in English. Learning English with movies and TV is not only fun, it's one of the fastest ways to fluency. Remember, choose shows that you love. Use subtitles smartly. Repeat, shadow, and practice. Use new phrases in real life. Soon, you won't just be watching TV, you'll be living the language. And that's it for today's episode. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You've just learned a complete system for improving your English with movies and TV shows. Now here's the truth. It's not enough to know this method. You actually have to do it daily. Even 20 minutes a day of watching, pausing, repeating, and writing down phrases will change your English more than 6 months of just memorizing vocabulary lists. So here's my challenge to you. Tonight, pick one show or movie you love. Turn on the English subtitles. Write down just 3 new expressions. And tomorrow, use at least one of them in your life. Even if it's just talking to yourself in English. Remember, fluency doesn't come in one big jump. It comes from small, consistent steps. Every scene you watch, every line you repeat, every phrase you see, it all adds up. So keep going, enjoy the process, and before you know it, you'll not just be watching movies in English, you'll be living in English. Thank you for listening. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next episode.